Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Leela Web Dev. In today's video, we are going to talk about the intents in the Android. So we are talking about the intent objects. They allow Android apps to move between the activities and also transfer the data. So by the end of this video, what you will be able to learn it is, so what an intent is, how to open another activity within it, and how to pass the data between the activities, and how to add a. These are all the things we'll try to see. Let's get started. An intent is just an object. It connects two components at runtime. Most commonly, it is used to move from one activity to another. At the same time, it can carry data with it. For example, if you enter your name and age in one screen, an intent can send that information to another screen. That is why intents are so important in the Android development. So I have all. So let's try to create the project. So here I have created the project. Okay. So now what I want to do it is, let's go to our activity underscore main.html file. So here I will be trying to design the views. So let's try to design the view. So let's close this one all, and here I will minimize this one, and I will try to delete this one. Okay, and here I want to drag the first one is the edit text view. Okay, so let's try to drag this one, and another one also I will try to drag the edit text view, but this time what I will try to is, so here I want to drag the number. Okay, so here I am trying to do it. Yeah, fine. So let's try to do this one. So here we are having this name, and here we are having this in, and let's try to have a button also. Okay, I'm having a button also. Let's try to have the button here also. Fine. So this is what I was trying to do it, and here this name. So what I will try to do is, so this name edit text. So I will try to add 300 dp for this one. Okay, and I will add 50 dp for this one. Okay, and here I will be having the edit text name. So this is the id which I would be trying to have it. So refactor it, and I will move it aside. And this one also, what I will try to do here, for this one also I will have 300 dp, and I will have the 50 dp for this one. Here also 50 dp, sorry, not 0 dp, 50 dp, and this one will be edit text age. I will use the edit text age, and this also refactored. And last one is the button we will be having. So this one is the button. I will try to keep it like this only, and here I will have the 150 dp. Okay, and the wrap underscore content I will be like that only. So I can change the button to, where is this one, send. Okay, so this is the button which I will be trying to have. And here what I will try to do is, so center I will make it as horizontally center, and what I want to do it is, so here I want to make it as a vertically, and this one I will try to move it down, and I will do it here for this one also, and here also I will do it like this. That's it. So now these are the buttons which I would be trying to have it. Fine. So these are all the things. So let's connect this in the main activity file. So let's go to the main activity file. So here I would be having something like late init, where name of type edit text. Okay, edit text name, edit text I am having it. And another one is late init, where age of type edit text I will be having. This one also edit text. And the last one is late init, where send of type button. So these are the things which I would be trying to have it. Now next what I will be trying to do it is, so let's try to bind this one. So here name is equal to find view by id of r.id dot. So here I can have this edit text name, and the age is equal to find view by id of r.id dot edit text age. And the last one which I would be trying to have it is the send button is equal to find view by id of r.id dot button. So now I have binded this one all. So let's add a click listener to the send button. So here you can have send dot set on click listener. So here we will be adding a code here to open another activity and send the data. So we need a new activity for this one. So for this one, what I can do it is, let's go on to your project, and here in your app, right click on this app folder, and here you can click on this one, and here you can create an activity. And in this activity, so what I want to do, I want to select an empty views activity. So here I can give the name it as an second activity. Okay, so I can give the second activity. So that's it, and click on the finish. So here we are able to get the second activity also. Android Studio, we are, so name it as a second activity. So fine. That's it. So we can create it. We have created the empty activity, right? So fine, we have created the second activity. So what I want to do it is, next one is design the second activity. Let's go to the activity underscore design. So here what I would be trying to do it is, let's try to add a text view to this one. So I want to make this one as center horizontally, and also I want to make this one as center vertically. And this text view, so let's try to have it as in 300 dp. Okay, and I want to make the text size as something around let's try to take the size of this one. Text size as around 25 sp I want to make it, and I want to do center it in the layout. Text color, so fine. So gravity, I want to make it as center. Fine. So let's try to have it. And for this one id, I want to give it as text view. Fine, it's everything is fine. Now let's go into the second activity.kt file, and here I want to initialize this one. So late init, so late init where result is of type text view. Okay, and let's go here, and we'll have result is equal to find view by id of r dot id dot text view. Okay, that's it. So now opening second activity with the intent. So now back in the main activity, let's go in the main activity. So we need to open the second activity, right? So let's try to on click listener. So here we need to create the intent. Intent is equal to intent of. So here we need to open the we need to first mention the context. So this at the rate main activity, and the second one which I want to open it is the second activity class.java. Okay, so you need to mention it like this. So this code opens the activity. So now here start activity. So we need to start the activity, and we need to send the intent. That's it. So now this will open the thing, but right now it doesn't transfer any data. So first get the input values. So in order to get the first input values, val username is equal to name dot text dot to string. So you can have it text dot to string, and the another one which you can have it is the val user age is equal to age dot text dot to string. Okay, so this one also we got it, and now we need to send this data. So how we can send this data to the intent dot put extra. So we can put the extra, and we need to send the username, and here we can pass the username, and the another one is another data intent dot put extra. So here you can have user age, and you can pass the user age. So we are passing the data. Now we need to, this is how we'll be passing data to the second activity. In the second activity, inside the on create, what we need to do it is, we need to capture the data. So how we can capture this data is, so here let's try to get it. We got this view by id, right? So here you can have val username is equal to intent dot get string extra of username. So this is the name which we would be trying to use it, dot to string, and another one is val user age is equal to intent dot get string extra. Sorry, this one is not get string extra, this one is get int extra of user age. The default value, if it doesn't get anything, means you can add the 0. That's it. Now here you can use result dot text is equal to result.text is equal to your name is, you can add it as dollar user name, and age is dollar user age. That's it, finish. So let's try to run this app and we'll try to see the output for this one, how it will look like. So let's try to run this app and we'll see the output. So fine, we are able to see the output. So let's try to add some data here. So here I would be adding the data, and here I would be adding like this, and click on the send. So now you will be able to see your name is this one and your age is, we have written something wrong, I think, user age. So the main activity is the same name only. Okay, value is user age dot text dot to string, and here activity underscore second activity get int extra user age. So one and the same only. Don't know why you are not able to get it. Main activity extra user age value is equal to, okay, not age, user age only, right? So we are able to get it. Find view by id, edit text age. So this is how we'll be getting the data normally. So just I want to show you. So let's try to check it from first time. Okay, why it is not coming? So here the problem why it is coming is, so here we have used the to string, right? And again we need to compile it to int. So now if I try to refresh this app, let's try to check this app. So now here we are able to get it, and here I am writing 234, and now you are able to get the output. So this is how you will be able to send the data from one activity to another activity using the intent. So this is one which we are able to do it. So that's it for today's lesson. So what we have learned it, what an intent is, how to open another activity, and how to send and receive the data. Like this we have learned it. So pretty cool, right? If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Android thing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.